Welcome back to another video. Yes, it is Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur, coming at you with another video. Today we will be looking at how to make Facebook ads for Shopify in 2020 to make those sales. Alright, so let's get it. Alright, so welcome to the video. We will be looking at how to make Facebook ads for your Shopify store in 2020. So let's move on through, and we're going to look at types of adverts used on Facebook. So of course you can use a video advert. So if you have access to a video creative of your product, say you're drop shipping from AliExpress and you have a supplier and a manufacturer who is willing to offer you a short video, you can put that up as your video creative in your advert manager. So when you come to that point, you can just upload your video directly from the manufacturer that you save to your PC. The other option is to create a video advert yourself. So perhaps you purchase the product, and once you receive it, you can then create a short video that doesn't show your face. You can be using the item, or if it's clothing, having a person try it on, or just model it in some way that gives all of its features. Or same thing with a product, opening it, using it, and presenting its features in motion with your hands. So that's a great way to have a video advert. Then there's a static image, so perhaps you just download the images from your manufacturer and you utilize those as your creative for your ad in your advert manager. So moving from the static image to slides as your advert campaign. So once you have your static images, and there may be a series of them that you receive from the manufacturer, you can actually put them into a slideshow within Facebook, or you can create one on your own PowerPoint or equivalent on Apple, and then upload that as a short video into your advert manager on Facebook. So just depending on what you want your advert to do, what kind of product you're actually promoting to sell, will depend on what kind of creative you will use. So moving on to a link post. So we all know what a link is. It's basically a direct link to the product that you're trying to sell, or the page, maybe using funnels within your sales creative. Instead of Shopify, you may want to just put the funnel page directly, or use your Shopify product page link. So that's what a link post is. You add the link within the post itself, and people can click on it from the advert creative, taking them to view your product directly. So next up is, which advert is best for your business? Which type of advert is best for you? So first, of course, we looked at the video advert, a static image, slides, or a link post. So it really does depend on the media you have available to you. So you may really want to do a video, but you don't have the product to actually create the video, and it may take you 3 weeks to get that product if you're drop shipping from China. So it does depend on the media available to you. If you can get your hands on the static images, use those. You can create that slide, and if the product pops, then you could get it via posted to you and then create your video advert after. That is a possibility, because sometimes a product will go off and pop off without having the video available. Just that video is doing so much better in Facebook, and we know it's always been doing well on other platforms for a long time, but you also get more attention when using a video, so keep that in mind. But it really depends on what's available to you and what the message is you want to portray. So what does your product effectively do for your clientele, for your customers, and what kind of action would you like to provoke? So what would you like your customers to do? Would you like them to watch the whole advert? Do you just want them to see a quick snippet of the action? Could you turn your static image into something else, like a GIF? That's a quick movement, a quick slide of things happening really quickly, so you capture their interest fast. So really think wisely about what you want the advert to provoke within your potential customer, and how you can do that with any one of these 4 adverts. Alright, so now we will quickly recap what we've been through this far. So how to create your advert. As mentioned, for video adverts, the best advice, if there is not already a video online with the product that you are trying to drop ship, then ask the manufacturer. Sometimes they are more than willing to do you up a quick explainer video or a show to show how that product works. Then there's obviously the static images that are always available on AliExpress if you are drop shipping from China. If you aren't and you have a very specific product that you are drop shipping, then speak with the manufacturer again and ask for those extra static images. If you're wanting a very specific image, then usually they'll come to the party because they want to sell their products. And from those static images that you can get, then you can create slides and put those up onto your Facebook advert manager in your campaign to create those adverts. And as I mentioned, the link post is where you use your best image or the media possible available to you with the link in the post. And so that creative process, use the advert creator in Facebook Manager. That's quite easy. Have your video or your image created beforehand. So whether you've gotten it from your manufacturer, that's perfect. If you have not, you may have to outsource somebody to create your video for you. If you have slides and things of that nature, then you can do that on your PC or on your Mac with those correct programs. So potentially PowerPoint, or use your iMovie and put all of those images in, and you can create that slideshow even in Facebook. So you have a couple of options there. You can upload each of the photos and use the slide creation option in your campaign manager, and you can just do that straight ahead on there. And next is Facebook is simple to use, as you can write your caption, place the link in the ads manager and media to create that campaign. So that with the last mention right there, we will close out this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you are wanting more on creating an advert for your Shopify store in 2020, then click the next video and check out my other videos regarding Facebook audience insights and creating adverts in Facebook, because the next video that will come out will be actually working in the adverts manager and building out your creative for your advert and really creating that advert for Shopify for 2020. So thanks for coming by, thanks for watching. It was your girl Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur. Please like, comment and subscribe for all videos coming very soon. Alright, peace.